Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola ThinkPhone. And to do this we'll need to open the settings. Now scroll down a bit to find the gestures, then scroll down to the bottom to find kinetic gestures. Here's all of them. Now let's check how they work. First thing is a quick launch, which if you enable you'll be able to open basically anything with double tapping on your phone. And in this case we have open app, and here's a calculator. Now we can pick up our phone and double tap right here to open it. This feature works fine, and we can move to another, which is the quick capture. Now if you twist your phone like that, it should launch the camera. Let's try it. Yep, it works fine. Next is a fast flashlight. So if you perform like a karate chop or handshake while holding your phone, it should turn on the flashlight. And for me, this feature, most of the time it doesn't work. We're gonna try it anyway. Let's actually unlock our phone and try it out. So like this. As you can see, this feature, okay, now it worked. Wow. Yeah, but it's very hard to perform it, and yeah, as you just saw. So let's go back and move to lift to unlock. Now you can enable it, and you will need to set up the face unlock for your phone, and after that you'll be able to always unlock your phone with your face. I'm gonna do it off the camera. After setting up your face, you need to select lift to unlock and go for next. Now click on got it and lock your phone. Now if you pick up your phone from the table and look in the camera, it should unlock your phone, but yeah, it doesn't detect my face, but in most of the cases it should work. Now moving on to the next option, we have pick up to silence. If you enable it and receive any call, then you can pick up your phone to mute the call. Flip for D&D, it's the last option, and now if you enable it, you'll be able to basically put your phone on the back like that, and then it will mute all incoming calls and enter do not disturb mode on your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.